Hello, Namaste. This is Ira Sahai back again with another D-Life Diploma course review video. And I'm back after a long time. I think Asmita Narsimha, they are doing a great job. But this one was special with Dr. Devyani Narayan. So I'll give her introduction. To start with, Devyani Narayan is a senior obstetrician and gynecologist who has 38 years of experience in Oman. She graduated and post-graduated from Mumbai, arrived in Oman in 1988 and served in the Army Hospital and Royal Oman Police Hospital. Joined the Ministry of Health in 2000 and then worked there as a senior consultant in a tertiary care hospital in Muscat. Dr. Devyani is also a fellow of the Royal College of Obstetrician and Gynecologists of London, passionate about women's health in general and maternal health in particular. During her work as an obstetrician and gynecologist, she was responsible for managing many cases of PCOS, hormonal imbalance, and generally women's health. She took voluntary retirement 2 years ago to pursue her interest in nutrition and lifestyle changes and its huge impact on health and chronic disease management or reversal. And that's how Dr. Devyani Narayan came into D-Life. She says she's an advocate for an active lifestyle. She's an avid yoga learner, practicing for more than 15 years, does strength training 2 to 3 times a week, and loves to travel. That's her bio. But very, very interesting. You've been places. You are very, very seasoned, senior, experienced doctor. And first up to begin with, how did you land up in D-Life?
Okay, so my D life is because actually my husband has been diagnosed to be a diabetic for quite a few years. And he was generally going to the endocrinologist, getting his meds, and we tried to have a active lifestyle. But over the years, we found that, he had the number of medications increased till he was started on Victoza, and which was a daily injection, and still we didn't find that his HbA, even though we were trying to do as much as we can, we didn't find that his HbA1c was dropping as it should have been, though we were quite strict about eating, about food which we ate from out, etc. And that's the time, I don't know, through somebody or while reading, he came across Shashi Iyengar. And that's how he decided to join D Life. The moment he joined D Life, he said, "Oh, there is a course. I think you should do it. Because then you can look," because I'm a bit strict about food and healthy lifestyle, etc. So I'm the one who's pulling him down, saying, "No, this is not allowed and this is allowed." So he said, "Why don't you do a course? I think it will make a lot of difference to me and to you in general." So that time I was still working. So said that's how I came into D Life actually. And the
Yeah,
more I
that's
started reading, the more I realized that, oh, it's a huge area which nothing has been tapped, especially by the medical profession. So they are not
yeah.
at all aware of what is happening.
Correct. And I've had many interactions with Dr. Narayan himself. And in fact,
Yeah.
we are in touch on WhatsApp, and he's a great guy. And no wonder, he recommended the course to you, and which after doing, let us come to that. But while doing the course, what is the gap between the medical education that you get and what you learned here? Because as I sense it, and as all doctors on in the community have said, this aspect has been largely untouched, and they
Yeah.
should actually become the first line of intervention for chronic diseases at
Yeah.
least. What's your
So,
thought on that?
yeah. So, first of all, I want to make it clear that doctors don't have any training in nutrition. That's the bottom line. They are never taught nutrition. You just know whatever is taught in biochemistry, that's all that, which is in the first year of your medical school. Of course, when I did my medicine, it was a hardly 30-mark question in the whole paper in the first MBBS. After that, there was nothing on nutrition. When we talked about diabetes, it was never decrease the carbohydrate. It was only decrease the sugar and sugar containing substances. nobody ever talked about lifestyle changes, about the food pyramid, about, food pyramid was just mentioned in. So I feel that every doctor or an endocrinologist, especially who's looking after all these chronic diseases and especially the insulin resistant thing, should have along with them a nutritionist, so that this is immediately looked at. It's not only medical medicines that you give, right? It's the lifestyle change that you have to make, which makes the major change, and
Yeah.
it includes your food, which is the main important thing, followed by your exercise, sleep, etc.
Yeah. So just to continue on your point, Dr. Devyani, as you must be
Ida,
knowing,
I
we
think
have
you're
about,
frozen.
am I okay now?
Hello.
Am I okay now? Can you hear and see me? Asmita, can you hear? Sorry for the small glitch there, but as Dr. Devyani Narayan was saying, that doctors need to have a nutritionist with them. Um, makes
Of course.
sense, but then the point is, Dr. Devyani, that you may recall that we have about 30 plus nutritionists, certified nutritionists now doing the D-Life course. Many are certified. They've also done the course review video. So the point is, when you go to any other course, they still teach you the same food pyramid science. They still teach you the same high carb science, fiber, and all of that, which is not relevant on low carb. For low carb, and that's the reason, why they came into D-Life, because they were not able to
Yeah.
reverse anything. So we are the only course in India that's government approved. The certification can be pulled into DigiLocker in real time, and we are the biggest course in the world with 158 CPD hours. So the difference between a dietitian and a metabolic health consultant, which you are right now, is that you have learned precisely TCR, which is therapeutic carbohydrate reduction, and
Yeah.
how to use that as the first line of intervention as far as chronic lifestyle diseases are concerned.
Yes.
And dietitians are not taught low carb, so hence, they're not able to reverse that. But a good point that, doctors are not taught nutrition and they do need to learn this. How do you see? I mean, I always say that our doctors, and we take great pride in real life doctors, our doctors are, probably 1,000 steps ahead because they chose to get educated, to get certified in a field that is actually working to give outcomes, patient outcomes, where others are failing, versus those doctors who are not trained or certified through D-Life. There's a
Yeah.
huge gap. So
Yeah.
as much as
Very, very.
people, yes, as much as people may
Yeah.
want to say that nutrition is everybody's domain, TCR is a precise
Yes.
intervention. And to
Yes.
handle Indians and vegetarians is not everybody's cup of tea.
Cup
How do
of.
you see yourself, Dr. Devyani, now that you're certified versus earlier when you were one of those who knew the basics of nutrition but thought you knew a lot, and
Yeah.
probably low carb too? How do you see the gap there? Because this should go out as a message to doctors who think that they are self-taught and they are on X, but you have taken the trouble, you have taken the initiative, and you have the scientific curiosity intact in you, because of which you are in
Yeah.
D-Life and got certified.
So there is a definitely a huge gap between the knowledge of the routine nutritionist as is taught in MSc or whatever they do, the basic nutrition course that they do, and they and the doctors also. So either this the D Life message has to reach everybody, and that's the only way that this gap can be reduced, because waiting for things to change and mindsets to change will take a long time. So I think this message has to go either through social media, through various different methods, so that everybody comes to know about this, and our patients and how their life changes after joining D Life or after following the the TCR, which is given by the specific metabolic health coaches, will be itself, the carrying the message that, because it will take a long time. Otherwise, by then, people and globally, healthcare is going to really cause a lot of burden.
I think 5 years back, when Anup had started saying, and in all, I would say, determination that we will make every doctor talk about low carb. I think that is now largely coming true, because if you go to the internet and if you see them on social media, every doctor is who's present on social media is not talking about pills that he has studied, but he's talking about nutrition
Yeah.
and some exercise. So I think low carb diet or low carb dietary intervention and precisely 100 gram carbs per day, that has worked beautifully for India, is going to be
Yeah.
the future, and a
Yes.
partnership between D-Life and doctors. And I think one should take the cue from Dr. Devyani and get certified instead of being self-taught, doctors becoming self-taught nutritionists. That doesn't work.
I agree
So
with this 100%.
yes. And these are busy doctors. Dr. Devyani is a senior doctor. I mean, with decades of experience, and she's chosen to upgrade herself, and get certified. This is not a small thing. So if she can do it, every doctor should do it over versus, having that ego that, we are doctors and we've practiced everything. At the end of the day, you do realize that medicines have failed largely as far as chronic disease epidemic is concerned.
Yes. Yeah.
We have not been able to address that. And diet is the first line of intervention that Dr.
Right.
Devyani and many like her are using for her patients. Coming back to the course, how did you like the course? And how do you like the community and the support? It's a wild, wild place. It's a very warm place. And, we are crazy bunch of, passionate healers, probably.
Yeah, yeah. So it's a extremely comprehensive course for me because I'm a little older in age, I know, and what was taught to me earlier was so much different from what it is now. So though I have been updating myself, still I found that a lot of the biochemistry behind the nutrition was really comprehensive and took a little time for me to understand that. But the course is really comprehensive, and it is very all the modules are very user friendly, so you can go back and forth. If you think you have lost some thread somewhere, you can go back, and also the support is a lot. So whenever any questions are asked or anything we want to know, in addition to that, what helped me a lot in my day to day life was the number of recipes that were there. And because I started looking at the recipes and tried to make changes in my life, then I started looking for more recipes. And then, because with this knowledge of the course, I knew if they had put out a recipe there, I felt that okay, this is not definitely going to be less than 100 grams in the total day, then I would discard or I would make change in the recipe so that it would help me. So in that way also it helped a lot.
And
Of
how
course,
did how do you find?
I haven't met any of y'all face to face, but I plan to I am coming to India in May. So I think one of the days I'll make an appointment and come and meet you and Anup, so
Yeah.
that we have a face to face talk, which will be
Yeah,
very
definitely. And we are always there for the team. And you now have an office in Mumbai. You can
yeah.
probably walk in, sit there, work there,
Mm.
anything that you like. So how did you find the community support part? Of course, we know that you love the recipes. And I remember that you were posting cakes and, all of these recipes in the community itself, in the WhatsApp group too. So I do remember those things. But how do you find the support, the team that comes together? From the time you enroll till the time you get certified and probably even beyond.
Yeah, the team support is all means you can say 100%. Whatever, and it's continuous. Like there were days when I used to see, oh my God, there are so many messages I have to read because there is continuous people asking, and because now it's a big community. So, but the support is 100%. So, whenever a question, and during the course completion also, Mr. Narsimha, he was very, very prompt. Anything you ask him, I used to feel, is he doing his normal job and also answering the questions? So it's a real commitment if you want to improve or get a community together.
Yeah, first up, there are only two courses in the world in this space. One is D Life, and the other comes from South Africa. The difference is huge because we have 158 CPD hours accrued to
Yeah.
the course, which is the biggest in the world, and the second biggest course is just 65 hours.
Yeah.
Plus, the certificate of overseas courses is not legally attainable in India. So I think we should be massively, massively proud of the work that Anoop has done from India. I
Yeah.
think somehow we have, more tendency or a bigger tendency to look towards West for the validation, and which is not needed because nobody in the world has been able to create such a course, that covers, A to Z of metabolic health and disease reversal and low carb. So I think everybody should be proud of D Life and what Anup has achieved for the metabolic health space. Are you there or are you frozen, Dr. Devyani? I think I cannot see her. So one last question to Dr. Devyani Narayan. She's doing fantastic. She's making a lot of difference in her community, and she's made a lot of difference in her husband's health. We are very proud to have her in the D Life family. Let's hear it from Dr. Devyani on what is her advice to the medical fraternity, to doctors like her. She's a very senior gynecologist, obstetrician, and let us hear from her what is her advice with regards to the course, with regards to learning TCR or low carb dietary intervention for chronic diseases reversal, and therefore, what is the significance of a course like D Life?
Yeah, I would urge the medical fraternity, as well as any nutritionist who is taking care of patients, especially with chronic diseases and health in general, to do a course which is D Life in India, which is recognized, which has 158 credit hours, and it's a recognized course by in India as well as so many other countries around the world. This opens up a whole new insight into managing of chronic medical diseases as well as health in general of the population. As we know that worldwide obesity is increasing, polycystic ovarian disease is increasing, diabetes is increasing, and it has taken the world by storm. Doing this course will change your outlook, definitely, definitely, about all these diseases, and also how much difference intervention by doing the D Life course and changing to carbohydrate restricted diet can make in the life of an individual. So I would really urge everybody to try and do this course so that they make a lot of difference in their life as well as the life of patients.
Yeah, so you're clearly saying that doctors who are certified and they do need a certification. It is not a self-taught domain anymore. It is so highly specialized that you need to learn how to handle Indian vegetarians, how to handle a huge spectrum and diaspora of population that come with different dietary preferences. And someone who's certified through D-Life definitely has a huge advantage in terms of those who are just self-taught. Is that what you're saying?
Yes, yes, definitely, definitely. Um, and the world is going into easy food habits. They just order out or things like that, and which comes with all the wrong things that one is not supposed to eat. So I think that doing the course will definitely change the outlook of the doctors because they are not taught nutrition. And nutrition over a period of time has changed so much. The food we eat has changed, the way we eat has changed. So, and there are every day there are research that is happening which is pointing to a low carb nutrition. So, D Life is one platform which is looking at it in a detailed way, and this will definitely help the doctor fraternity, and it will, make a huge difference in their management and
Yes,
outcome for the patients.
yes, I think D-Life is the only course that is training doctors in TCR in India. And globally, we have made a huge impact, being the world's biggest metabolic health ecosystem, starting from the forum to the community to course and certification, and now into consultancy. So, any doctor who wants to join the network of D Life has to get certified through the course. Even if you're working independently and handling your own patients, you need to learn TCR. There's nothing like self-taught. Otherwise, even a compounder can say, I'm a self-taught doctor. Is that right?
No, not at all.
Correct. So that's
Yeah,
the point. So that's the
yeah.
point. So I will wind up the course review here. And if you want to check out any details about the course, you can visit dlifehealthcare.com. We are the world's biggest course in terms of CPD accreditation, and we've been accrued 158 hours credit. And in India, we are a government approved course, which is legally tenable. Overseas courses do not have any legal tenability in India, and nobody teaches you how to handle Indians and especially vegetarians. So please check out more detail on dlifehealthcare.com. This is Ira Sahai signing off. Thank you, Dr. Devyani Narayan, for being here and for this fantastic course review video. We'll meet again soon. Thank you.